Ugh, I am sick of those genies and their wishing magic. If I had a wish, I'd wish a wish for no more wishing wishes. Ah, good idea, Nazboo. Maybe one of these potions will put a stop to all their wishing. Invisibility potion? No. Giggling potion? Definitely not. Voice switching potion? If I switch Leah's voice with something that can't talk, then she won't be able to make any more wishes. And now she'll be nice and quiet. Wishes can't be wished if wishes can't be heard. So switch Leah's voice with the voice of a bird.
Wow, nice impression, Leah. You sound exactly like a bird.
They are right. You do sound like a bird.
And you sound like Leah.
Shoo, birdie, shoo!
Okay, I am...
What's the matter, Leah? Cat got your tongue? Or should I say, bird? Aw, I guess your friend doesn't have much to say since I switched her voice.
Switched her voice?
That's right. And now that Leah can't talk, you genies will never get to use your wishing magic again. Nazboo, you bumped me into those potions. Hey, what happened to you guys? How'd you all get so big?
We're not big. Zeta, you're tiny.
Oh no. One of the potions must have shrunk me.
Aww, tiny Zeta is so cute. Cute.
I am not cute. I'm sneaky and I'm powerful.
And so adorable.
I am not adorable. I am a powerful sorceress. I can...
Oh, okay.
Now, if I could just get out of here.
Wait! I saw you wiggle. You are a worm.
Where are you, you cute little thing? She should be around here somewhere. Here, Zeta. Here, tiny Zeta.
I've got a worm.
I am not a worm.
Oh, great! Another game. Your armpits are itchy.
I've got a worm.
The bird. Let me go. And Zeta.
Hop on.
Wait for us. Let me go. We're coming, Zeta.
I am going to eat up... Wait! They are following me. They are trying to take away my worm. I found this worm. You cannot have it.
I am not a worm. I am a powerful sorceress.
Sing close. Did it work?
Hello? I can talk. I can talk. Woohoo! I can talk.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.